Exercise 23G we will discuss today. And the topic is area and volume of the similar shapes. As we know that, what is the formula for finding the similar shape? First, we will find out the linear scale factor of the both shapes. Then, area scale factor is equals to area of the real sail is multiplied by the value by the scale factor. Like yesterday we did it, the same situation. Now I am going to read the lesson, read the page, listen carefully. You saw that if two shapes are similar and the linear scale factor is k, then the area scale factor is k square. Understand? Area scale factor is k square. Two solid shapes are similar if corresponding lengths are in the same ratio and corresponding angles are equal. In that case, the volume scale factor will be k cube. Linear scale factor is k. Area scale factor will be k square. And volume scale factor will be k cube. Why? Because linear scale factor, one direct value, like this linear scale factor. And area scale factor will be two values like length and width. And the volume scale factor, we need the box like this. Understand?
Yes.
So that's why this is we need volume scale factor in the cube. Generally, the relationship between the shapes can be expressed as length ratio xy and the area ratio x square y square and the volume ratio x cube y cube. Length ratio is one-dimensional diagram, area ratio two-dimensional diagram, and volume ratio three-dimensional diagram. Now come to the exercise example. Example 6. A model yacht is made to the scale of 1/20 of the size of the real yacht. 1/20. 1/20. So what will be the linear scale factor? 1/20.
120.
What will be the linear scale factor? 1/20.
0.05.
0.05. Okay.
05.
The area of the sail of the model is 150 centimeters square. The model is 150, means the small yacht area is 150 centimeters square. What is the area of the sail of the real yacht? Try to understand first what is the question. The question is, an engineer make a model of yacht, small yacht. Yacht mean the small ship like this. You know what is yacht? Yacht?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
Small
It's a
ship.
large ship.
Engineer make a model and this model is 20 times smaller than the real. 20 times smaller than the real. So how much will be the area of the real? Now read this again. A model yacht is made.
0.05.
Hmm,
The real will be 2 times more or 20 times more.
real will be small or real will be big?
Will be big, the real one.
The area of the sail of the model is 150 centimeters. What is the area of the sail of the real? So now at first sight, it may appear that you do not have enough information to solve this problem, but it can be done as follows. Linear scale factor is 120. Area scale factor will be, this is linear scale factor. So area scale factor will be equal to 1 square is equals to 1, and this will be 400. This will be 400 because square of 20 is 400. Now area of the real will be area of the real will be 400 multiply 400 multiply 150. 400 multiply 1 over 50. 150, sorry. So answer will be 60,000 centimeter square. 60,000 centimeter square. 60,000 centimeter square. If we convert the 60,000 into the meters, so it will be 6 meters square. It will be 6 meter square. Do you understand or need more explanation?
We
We
divide
need
by
more.
2. What? 60,000.
No, it
Why we
depends
convert
on the
this?
condition.
Ah,
It depends on the condition, not always divide. We will not divide always.
centimeters.
Depend on the condition.
Okay, sir, can you give us other similarity?
Okay, wait.
Maybe if you start the
For
exercise, you
example,
will
this is a yacht.
understand.
This is a yacht model. Okay, and this is a real. Okay, this is real. Real is big. This is the model which an engineer made it. Now this is 1:20. 1:20. Linear factor is 1:20. So area factor will be 1:400. Means if it is 1 centimeter, the model is 1 centimeter, this will be 400 centimeters. It means that. If it is 2 centimeters, this will be 2 multiplied by 400. If it is 3 centimeter, this will be 3 multiply 400 centimeter. Do you understand it now?
Yes.
Now the
Yes.
question is, in the question they said it is 150. So what it will be? 150 multiplied by 400. It will be bigger 400 times than the small model. Model mean like the toy car. Model is the small thing. The real ship is so much big than the model. Now understand or not?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, now come to example number 7. A bottle has a base radius of 4 centimeter and the height of 15 centimeters and the capacity of 650 centimeters. Now this is about the volume. Now this is about the volume because in the volume not 2 things, in the volume 3 things. The bottle has base radius 4 centimeters, mean a bottle is 4 centimeters from the base and height 15 centimeter. Let me take a picture from of the bottle, then it will be easy for us to explain it. Where is the bottle? Okay. Yeah. See, this is a bottle. What they are saying, the radius of this 4 centimeter means the base, this is the base, this is the base, and the radius is definitely this is in the circle. The bottle base is in the circle, right? The radius from here to here, the radius from that center to this line is 4 centimeter. The height 15 centimeter. Height of the bottle is 15 centimeter. And the capacity 650 centimeter cube means that in this bottle 650 centimeter cube liquid or anything can be stored in it. Understand it now?
Yes.
Okay. A similar bottle has the base radius of 3 centimeters. A similar small bottle, one more bottle here. For example, this is a small bottle. And this bottle have the radius here 6 centimeters radius. Here the radius is 3 centimeters.
No, sir, the base is 4 centimeter at the other bottle.
This is 4, sorry. This is 4. 4 centimeters. What is the length ratio? Okay, now what will be the length ratio? The length ratio will be 4:3. A. What is the length ratio? 4:3. Length of the
4 divided 3.
bottle. 4 divide 3 or 4:3, same thing. 4:3 or 4 divide 3, same. Ratio and division is the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, B. What is the volume ratio? What will be the volume ratio? 4 cube ratio 3 cube. So volume ratio will be 64:27. Understand? What will be the
Yes.
area ratio? We will take the squares. Volume ratio, we are taking the cubes.
Sir, I didn't understand B.
What is the question? Can you read it? What is the volume ratio?
Okay. What is the
What is
volume
the
ratio?
volume ratio? For I tell you, for the volume ratio, we will take the cube. We will take the power 3.
Yeah.
For area ratio, we will take the square. Okay?
Yeah.
The same I am doing. 4 power 3 equals 64. And 3 power 3 equal 27.
Yeah, okay.
Now see, what is the volume of the smaller bottle? So volume of the bigger bottle is given. Volume of the bigger bottle is given. We need the volume of the smaller bottle. We need the volume of the smaller bottle. So let V the volume of the smaller bottle, then the volume ratio is. Volume ratio, what will be the volume ratio? V is the smaller bottle and V is the volume of the smaller bottle and the volume of the bigger bottle. Volume of the larger bottle is 650. This smaller volume we don't know, but this bigger volume we know that 650. Is it right? Okay. Now, what
Sir,
is the
650, write the square or no?
huh?
You will write the square or no?
No. This is the volume given. This is given in the question. Now, what is the factor ratio is for smaller bottle is 27. For smaller bottle is 27. We write smaller bottle up, so we will write 27 up. And the bigger bottle is 64. So the bigger bottle capacity we write down, we will write 64 down. Be careful here. If you write smaller bottle up, so you will write the factor ratios for the smaller, like this smaller, 27 will be up. The bigger, 64 will be down. And here we take the capacity of bigger bottle, 650. I hope you understand it.
Please, sir, repeat the last part.
Yes, Mr. If we change them.
Okay, this V is the volume of the smaller bottle. Correct? V is the
Yes.
volume
Yeah.
of the smaller bottle which we want to find.
Yes.
Volume of the bigger bottle is 650. Correct?
It's already
So
given.
V over 650. What is the factor ratio for the smaller bottle? This is 27. So we will write it up.
27.
And the factor ratio for the bigger bottle is 64. We will write it down. Understand?
Yeah, and 27 divided by
Yes.
64, the answer it will be V. Or
So
no,
now this go to other side, 650 here multiply, here divide. To the other side, it will multiply. 27 over 64 multiply by 650. So the answer is 274 centimeter cube, because volume is always in the cube. Volume is always in the cube. Understand? A smaller bottle capacity, like the bigger bottle capacity is 650. Smaller bottle capacity will be 274. 274. Now, with the same question, I will make a little change and we will solve the same question again. Okay, if this ratio becomes another question here. This is now 2 centimeter. This is now 2 centimeter. All the things remain same. So what will be the capacity of this 2 centimeter radius base bottle? What we will do? First, we will find out the ratio A. Linear factor ratio will be 4:2. Will be 4:2. And the volume factor ratio will be 64 and 8. 64 and 8, because 4 cube is 64 and 2 cube is equal to 8. Do you understand what I am saying? No one is answering me.
I didn't understand.
Also me.
If here 3, okay, this is the answer. If here 2, what will change? What will be the change?
If here is 2, I think it 27 will change.
Yes, 27 will change, and what will come here?
Like depends on the number, yeah.
4 cube is equals to 64 and 2 cube is equals to 8. That's the thing I am telling you.
Okay.
Okay. Now here what will change? V is equals to 27. 27 at the place of 27, now it will be 8. And the 64 will be the same, multiplied by 650. So what is the answer? What will be the capacity for 2 centimeter bottle?
Wait a second, sir.
Okay, let me 8 divide by 64. Muhammad Kareem, where are you?
I'm here. It should be 64 ratio 125. The answer of B.
Answer for this is what?
The answer for B, Mister. There is A in question one. There is A. The answer of it is 4 ratio 25. B is 64 ratio 125.
From where you are asking 125?
Sir, the ratio is 81.25, or it's 324 ratio 4. 325 ratio 4. This is how I get it.
This I am asking you to solve this with calculator. What is the answer?
Yeah, this is what I do. The answer
What is the answer?
is 325 divided by 4 over 4.
I am asking the answer, total answer. I'm not asking about divide by what.
Mr. 81.25.
Yes,
This is what it
simple. 81.25 centimeter cube. 8 divided by 64, you will get 0.125. Then multiply this by 650. This will be the answer, 81.25 centimeter cube. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now come to question number 1. The length ratio between the two similar solids is 2:5. This is linear or length ratio. Length ratio between the two similar solids is 2:5. What is the area ratio between the solids? This is the length ratio. Okay, what will
Multiply by
be the
2 or
area
square
ratio?
2. Square 2.
Yes, 2 square
Would be
and
4,
5 square.
25.
Pascal.
4 ratio 25.
Or
25.
Okay, what will be the volume ratio?
8 and 125. We will buy 3. We will
2 per 3,
centimeter
5
cube.
per 3. So it will be 8 and 100.
25.
8 and
You are asking, Muhammad Kareem, you were asking about this at that time, right?
Yes.
Yes, you are faster than us. Means that you were not with me at that time when I asked you the question. You just jumped. Question number 2. The length ratio between the two similar solids is question 2. The length ratio is 4:7. So what will be the area ratio?
It will be 16
And
So just, sir, when we want to
and
the
49.
we just put it 4 cube and 7 cube and the answer.
and the volume ratio according to the question.
Yeah.
by 3.
4 cube is what?
64.
64. And 7 cube is what?
343.
Now question number 3, copy and complete the table. Linear scale factor is 2 and the linear ratio is 1:2. Linear fraction is 2:1. Linear fraction is 2:1. What will be the area scale factor? What will be the area scale factor? Area scale factor. Area scale factor. Question number 3. Area scale factor will be 2 square. Area scale factor will be 2 square equal 4. And the volume scale factor will be 2 cube. Is it clear or no?
Yes, Mr. Volume, we should find everything.
Yes.
The height
Yeah,
and
Now the missing values you need to find. Now the missing values you need to find. In question number 3, you should complete this table. And the question number 4, inshallah, we will discuss